Hi everyone, I'm the tax pro, and today I'm going to help you deal with duplicate customers within QuickBooks Online. So this is the dashboard for QuickBooks Online. Yours may look a little bit different if you have not been updated to the new layout yet. If you haven't, you will be soon, so no worries. This is the dashboard. I'm going to navigate to customers. And you can navigate anywhere by going to the My Apps section, Customer Hub, and so you'll be able to navigate wherever you are in QuickBooks Online to the customer section. So for some reason, I had Alfred in here. I did not have Alfred's last name. Okay, and then I came in and I created Alfred Smith. And these are really one and the same. I want to combine them. So a couple of things here. We have a few options. First, notice that this main Alfred, this is who we've been using to invoice these invoices to. He has an open balance of this $21,180. Notice his company name is just Alfred, okay? And then we have Alfred Smith. And we just went, if I click in on here, we just went in and made an invoice for him today for $500, okay? Now what we could do is we could just delete Alfred Smith. If we wanted, we could make him inactive, and then we could recreate this invoice under Alfred if we wanted to. You can go ahead and click make inactive here. Or we can go in and we can merge contacts. So merge contacts is a great option if you have two separate contacts and you've been, recording activity in both of them. At that point in time, we really need to make sure that we have Alfred Smith stuff going to Alfred. So we are going to merge transactions from Alfred Smith, where we are, to Alfred. And then we're going to click on merge contacts, and you'll notice that Alfred Smith is now deleted. And Alfred now has a $500 invoice, and the total balance that he owes has gone up. Okay, so if we go to customers, we will see only Alfred's there. Everything's good. Alfred Smith's been deleted. And then, if we wanted to go in and maybe edit Alfred's name to include his last name, that might be best practice so that we don't make another customer with his name. So that's how you merge contacts. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to show you one other way that you could potentially merge contacts. So I'm going to create another Alfred, and this time I'm going to go with Alfred Green. And you'll notice that the customer display is Alfred Green. This is important. We're going to save this. And if I wanted to put an invoice in here so you can see what it does, this is an alternative way to go ahead and add the transactions from this contact to Alfred. So now we have two Alfreds. This is a problem. If I wanted to, I could just go into Alfred right here. I can edit his information. And I could say this is Alfred Green. If this company name, the display name is the same, so essentially this display name right here is going to match this display name here, it won't let me have two customers with the same display name. So it's going to ask if I would like to merge the two. Click yes. And now I have Alfred Green. It's going to merge everything into Alfred Green. Okay? So right here, his balance went up that $750, and you'll see he has all the transactions he had before, and we've kind of pulled in all the transactions from the new contacts. So that's two ways to merge. There's an easy way to just kind of come up here and merge, or we can change the display names and we'll merge those together. If you have any questions, let me know. If this was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys next time.